Hello everyone, I'm Nova Lui, Head of Investor Advisory at RHB Bank, and welcome to our monthly Investment Insight podcast. On year-to-date basis, US equity market has trended lower amid policy uncertainty, particularly surrounding US tariff. The Federal Reserve maintaining rates at 4.25 to 4.5% as of its March 19 decision. It's not rushing to cut interest rate, with Fed Chairman Jerome Powell adopting a wait-and-see stance due to tariff-related inflation risk. US tech stock has been heavily impacted, with the Nasdaq entering correction territory, down over 10% from its December high, driven by the emergence of cost-efficient generative AI tool like China's DeepSeek, which rivals pricier US counterparts. Conversely, the Chinese equity market has rebounded, ranking among the top performer year-to-date, bolstered by stimulus measure and DeepSeek's AI advancement. Malaysia equity market tracked by FBM KCI has weakened down 8.33% year-to-date due to fear of US tariff affecting its export-driven economy. In early February, a 25% tariff on imports from Canada, Mexico, and a 10% tariff on Chinese exports. This action heightened fears on global trade war, leading to a decline in major US stock indices. European market also experienced volatility as the European Commission considered measures in response to US tariff, affecting investors' sentiment. Gold price surpassed $3,000 per ounce in March, reflecting increased demand for safe haven assets amid geopolitical uncertainties and inflation concern. However, as gold price soared, there was a significant influx of old jewelry and coins being sold in major markets in Asia and Middle East. This surge in selling could potentially reduce imports and temper the gold rally. Fed maintained its benchmark interest rate unchanged at the range of 4.25 to 4.5% during its March 19, 2025 meeting. This decision aligned with widespread expectation as reported by multiple sources. The Federal Reserve signaled that it still anticipates 2 quarter-point rate cut later in 2025, despite growing uncertainty ties to the economic policy, particularly tariff. In March, Chinese equity issuance doubled to 16.8 billion, driven by renewed investor interest in the technology sector and government supportive stance. This surge boasts the Hang Seng Index by 21% year-to-date. DeepSeek's launch of its R1 AI model in January 2025 boosts investor confidence in China's tech sector, driving 35% surge in the Hang Seng Tech Index. The model's strong performance and cost efficiency attracted significant investment, with hedge funds increasing their exposure to Chinese equity, reinforcing China's position as a key technology investment hub. In March 2025, Baidu also introduced its latest AI model, Ernie 4.5 and Ernie X1. The Ernie X1 in particular was designed for deep thinking rationing and was reported to match the performance of DeepSeek R1 model while operating at half the cost. This development intensified competition in the AI sector and further boosted investor confidence in Chinese tech equities. In February 2025, Malaysia's Trade Minister Tengku Zafrul denied allegations of AI chip smuggling to China, stressing the country's strict compliance with international export control under the Strategic Trade Act. He reaffirmed Malaysia's commitment to preventing misuse of its semiconductor industry. To strengthen oversight, the government is enhancing international cooperation to monitor sensitive technology flows, aligning with US, Europe, and UK regulation. Following the allegation of AI chip smuggling, Tengku Datuk Sri Jafar Abdul Aziz announced that the government is in discussion with domestic semiconductor companies to assess the potential impact of proposed US tariff on chip imports. The US administration has indicated intentions to impose tariff starting at 25% or higher on semiconductor import, a move that could significantly affect Malaysia's export-driven economy, given the country export US 16.2 billion worth of chips to US last year, accounting for nearly 20% of all US semiconductor import. Malaysia raised its minimum wage from 1.5 thousand to 1.7 thousand per month on February 1st, 2025, benefiting 4.37 million workers. Employers with 5 or more employees must comply immediately, while smaller businesses have until 1st of August to manage costs. Businesses are encouraged to enhance efficiency, invest in upskilling, and adopt new technologies instead of passing costs to consumers. Thank you for joining us on today's podcast. While market volatility persists, a lower equity market also presents opportunity to accumulate at more attractive level. In line with this, RHB has introduced RHB Dynamic Artificial Intelligence Allocator Fund. This is Malaysia's first AI-driven multi-asset fund with exposure to digital assets. Designed for long-term capital growth, this fund strategically allocates across equity, fixed income, ETF, and liquid assets. Be sure to speak with your relationship manager to explore if this fund aligns with your investment strategy. Until next time, happy investing.